Hey everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to use Autofill, a feature that can save you loads of time by letting Excel continue patterns for you. Instead of typing every single value one by one, Excel can figure out the sequence and do the work for you. Let's see how it works. And if you would like to practice along, I have put the same spreadsheet in the description. Download it and try these steps with me. Let's start with numbers. I have typed 1 to 5 here. If I select the cells and drag the fill handle, Excel continues the pattern automatically. So instead of typing 6, 7, 8 and so on, Excel fills them in for me. Now let's try it with the days of the week. I have typed Monday through Friday. If I select them and drag the fill handle, Excel automatically continues with Saturday, Sunday and back to Monday again. This is because days of the weeks are built-in lists that Excel already understands. Autofill also works with dates. Here, I have entered September 1st to 4th. When I drag the fill handle down, Excel continues the sequence with September 5th, 6th, and so on. You can even hold down the right mouse button while dragging to get extra options, like filling only weekdays or filling months instead. Autofill isn't just for numbers and dates. If we have got a few names like Alice, Bob, and Charlie, and then drag down, Excel repeats the pattern. So you get Alice, Bob, Charlie, and then it starts over again. This is super handy if you need to cycle through a fixed list. Now here's something even cooler. You can create your own custom lists. If we have north, south, east, west, and drag down, Excel just repeats the cycle like it did with names. But we had to type all four first. With a custom list, Excel remembers them. I'll just go to File, Options, Advanced, General, and then Edit Custom Lists. That opens this window. Since I already have my entries on the sheet, I will import them. Click the Pick from Cells button here. Select the relevant cells. Click Import, OK, and then OK again. Now when I type North and drag the fill handle, Excel fills South, East, West automatically. And the best part, once you set it up, it works in every workbook you use. This is really useful for things like department names, project codes, or any list you use often. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.